Nowadays, AI can do many things. One of the most recent AI technologies is called deadbot, which makes the AI replicate the personality of a human that has passed away. Stay tuned as we explore deeper behind this creepy digital reality. Known as deadbots or griefbots, is an AI system that can mimic or replicate the dead people using their digital footprints. It could be used by someone to bring back their late friend or family members virtually. They can interact with those beloved people like they are still alive through the help of AI. While some companies claim these bots provide comfort, researchers from the University of Cambridge warn that they can cause emotional distress and digital hauntings without strict safety standards. These bots can make users feel like they are being digitally stalked by the dead, leading to overwhelming emotions. Ethical concerns arise when deadbots manipulate users or even advertise products. Researchers want more regulation to prevent digital hauntings and ensure users can easily decide to turn off the deadbot whenever they feel necessary.